Hello student, welcome back. In this video, today I am going to explain about the Vice President of India. So let's start now. The Vice President. There is also a Vice President of India under the Constitution. He is also the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Now Venkaiah Naidu is the present Vice President of India. Qualifications for the Vice President. He must be a citizen of India. He must not be less than 35 years of age. He must be qualified for election as member of the Rajya Sabha. He should not hold any office of profit under the center or the state government. The term for the Vice President. Vice President is elected for a term of 5 years unless earlier vacated by resigning in writing to the President. However, the Vice President continues in office until the next successor joins the office. Removal of the Vice President. He may be removed by a majority resolution of the Rajya Sabha supported by the Lok Sabha. Emoluments. Vice President receives 4 lakh per month salary, in addition to the daily allowance as permissible to an MP. When he acts as the President, the Vice President draw the same emoluments as the President draw. Election for Vice President. Both the Houses of Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, sitting together, elect the Vice President. The nomination paper of the Vice Presidential candidate must be proposed by 20 MP and seconded by another 20 MPs as per the Ordinance of June 1997. He is also supposed to deposit rupees 15,000 as security. Powers and functions of the Vice President. The Vice President is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. As such, he regulates proceedings of the House. Vice President decides about the admissibility of a question or resolution in the Rajya Sabha. Vice President takes over as the President in case of death of the President in office, resignation of the President, removal of the President, and in case of illness, absence, or for any other reason when the President is unable to discharge his functions. His position as the Vice President is dignified but not very strong. Thank you, class. If you like the video, give the valuable feedback and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.